Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best auto glass tools is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, ensuring a safe and clear driving experience. This video will guide you through the essential tools needed for auto glass repair and replacement, whether you're a professional mechanic tackling complex repairs or a DIY enthusiast tackling minor chips and cracks. We will explore various tools, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and skill level. From specialized suction cups to precision cutting blades, we'll cover it all. Number 5. Auto Trim Removal Tool Kit. This kit is designed for easy removal of car trims without causing scratches. It's perfect for both interior and exterior work. Made from sturdy yet flexible nylon, it's built to last and protect your vehicle's finish. You can use it with confidence. It works on cars, RVs, and boats. It's a must-have for any vehicle owner or mechanic. Each tool has an ergonomic handle for comfortable and efficient use. Even tough jobs become easier. This portable kit is perfect for keeping in your car. You'll always be prepared for any trim repairs. Say goodbye to damaged trim and hello to easy, scratch-free removal. Get yours today. What we like. It's designed to protect your car from scratches while removing trims. If you are looking for a tool that can be used on various vehicles and surfaces, this is the one for you. Its durability makes it a worthwhile investment for any car owner who values their vehicle's appearance and functionality. What people say. The tools are incredibly durable, lightweight, and perfectly designed to make tasks like removing trim, dashboard panels, and other delicate components a breeze. They don't scratch surfaces, which is a huge bonus when working on interiors. The variety in the set ensures you have the right tool for virtually any project. I've already used it for car panel removal and even some home repair tasks. It saved me time and effort while delivering flawless results. The no-scratch design ensures that the vehicle's interior remains undamaged, and the variety of tools included in the kit handles a wide range of tasks. I specifically used it to remove clips and take off the front bumper of my car, and the tools performed excellently without causing any damage. Number 4. CRL Tapered Windshield Tool, 5-pack. This innovative tool makes setting windshields easier than ever. Its tapered ends are perfect for working with freshly applied sealants. The tapered design allows for precise sealant application and adjustment. It's ideal for achieving a clean, professional finish. It features a comfortable and durable stick handle for easy maneuvering and control. This ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. This tool is specifically designed for working with freshly applied sealants. It helps to create a strong and lasting bond. Get 5 tools in one convenient pack. This ensures you always have a spare on hand, maximizing your efficiency. CRL is a trusted name in automotive tools. This tool is built to last and will help you get the job done right. What we like. This tool is perfect for applying fresh sealants. If you're a professional installer or DIY enthusiast working with sealants, its tapered ends and pack size will make your job easier and more efficient. It's a must-have for achieving precise and clean sealant application. What people say. I've tried many plastic pry tools or bone sticks as they're known in the industry, and these are by far the best. They are sturdy, they never leave marks, the tips don't break under pressure. Found quality and flexibility was perfect. Very good for putting glass in a rubber wrap around. Number 3. UltraWiz 3008K Lever Knife Kit. This is the all-new UltraWiz 3008K Lever Knife Kit, redesigned for optimal performance and comfort. It's lighter and easier to handle than ever before. It's now a 1/4 inch narrower, weighing only 12 ounces. This slim design makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. The ergonomically designed handle provides superior comfort and grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It's designed to meet OSHA's ergonomic guidelines. The unique lever mechanism allows for quick and easy blade changes, maximizing efficiency. No more struggling with difficult blade replacements. It features a heavy-duty eyelet on the inline pull cable and a foam-covered grip for enhanced durability and comfort. It's built to last. The UltraWiz 3008K is the preferred choice of professionals across the industry. Experience the difference that quality makes. This kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its reliability. The kit comes complete with a 1002 mm UltraWiz 1 blade, ready to tackle any job. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It's known for its ease of use and lightweight design. If you value efficiency and comfort during windshield removal, this tool is a great option. The easy blade change feature saves you time and effort, making it a favorite among professionals. What people say. Been doing auto glass for about 5 years now. This is my personal favorite because it's slimmer than the purple one. I install windshields professionally and this UltraWiz is good quality. The knife it comes with and the same brand replacements are a little too thick for me, but I file them down just a hair. Still recommend this to all my windshield installers. I use this green cold knife every day. For beginners this cold knife takes some getting used to, but with the UltraWiz thin blades this will get the job done. Never have had an issue with it. Number 2. GT Tools LKQTR1 Cutter. This innovative tool is designed for precision cutting in tight spaces. Its compact size makes it perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It's the perfect solution for windshield and quarter glass repair. Say goodbye to frustratingly difficult cuts. With a total length of only 18 inches, it easily navigates tight spaces. This tool gets the job done where others can't. It's built to last with a durable aluminum body and a knurled steel power handle. You can count on it for years of reliable service. Use it with a pushing motion for urethane cutting, or pair the power handle with a mallet for tougher jobs. It offers versatile cutting options. It comes complete with one 3x10 standard sheath blade, ready to tackle your project. Everything you need is right in the box. What we like. This tool excels in tight spaces. If you frequently work on quarter panels or hard-to-reach areas, its shorter length provides better access and maneuverability. The durable construction ensures it can handle tough jobs, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What people say. Perfect for the professional. Number 1. Lisle 48600 Windshield Tool. This innovative tool is designed for professionals. Its offset design and swivel tip provide unparalleled access and efficiency. It offers installers extra clearance. This is especially helpful when working on large vehicles like semis or agricultural machinery. The tip swivels 90 degrees in either direction. This unique feature allows it to reach tight spots that other tools can't. It's perfect for working with locking strips on windshields and other glass. It makes installation much easier and faster. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, including semis, skid loaders, and agricultural equipment. It's a versatile and indispensable tool. With its unique design, it provides access to hard-to-reach areas. This saves you time and effort on the job. What we like. It provides extra clearance for those hard-to-reach areas. If you're working on vehicles with locking strips or in tight spaces, its unique design and swivel tip will be a game changer. This tool is a must-have for professionals working on various vehicle types, ensuring efficient and precise work. What people say. Not only was it easy to use and did exactly what I needed, but it felt good while gripping it. When you are installing the center locking trim around the rubber seal for your windshield or rear glass, this is the tool to have. Works great. First off, this thing is way better than a dulled-up screwdriver for installing trim lock any day. The bend in the shaft has really helped when getting to parts of the seal that they like to put behind handles, dashes, and arm rests of equipment. As for the lock part of the lock, all you need is to start it, put a little Windex or glass cleaner on there and it just slides right in. There is no slowly poking it in anymore. In the end, it took a job that could take an hour and cut it in half essentially. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.